saved our country.
Welcome everyone to Universal Studios Hollywood's first annual Purge Party. I'm Jill St. Stevens, your official party planner, with some helpful tips for how best to enjoy tonight's festivity. I let it all out. Why should the hunters have all the fun? Well, until Universal Studios is a proud sponsor of the Purge and the new founding fathers of America. We hope you and your family enjoy the Purge.
Ooh, electric tram.
Here to save you from the scariest thing in the entire world, walking. Freaks me out. That's the stuff nightmares are made of. Alright folks, take your seats. Here are the rules of the Terror Tram. I know you guys love rules. Stay seated, put your arms and legs inside the vehicle or keep them in at all times, alright? If you're traveling with any small children today, they belong at home, but since they're here already, I guess just move them towards the center of the rows away from the outside gates, okay? Alright, please wear your facial coverings at all times while aboard the Terror Tram. And if you experience an emergency while on board, pull that red emergency cord above your head and I'll be back to assist you as soon as it's convenient for me, okay? I promise. Alright, as you're all aware, tonight is Purge Night. It's the one night of the year where all crime, including murder, is legal for 12 continuous beautiful hours. But you guys, we like you guys. We want to keep you alive and safe, so we're taking you to a big party on the Universal backlot. It's a Purge-free party. Woo! Congratulations, you're gonna live tonight, folks.
Yay.
Here to tell you all about it is our party planner, Miss Jill St. Stevens. Take it away, Jill.
Thank you for that fabulous introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Jill St. Stevens and it's my pleasure to welcome you to Universal's first annual Purge Party. You know, Universal Studios has long been a proud supporter of the Purge and our new founding fathers. Oh, I see some of you brought your children today. Fabulous! You're going to enjoy tonight. We have fabulous food, games, arts and crafts, and patriotic sing-alongs planned for you. Sounds a lot better than being locked up in the house all night with Mom and Dad, doesn't it? Fabulous! Now, before we begin, tour guide, can you give me your current location?
Absolutely, we're locked and loaded and headed to the drop-off.
Fabulous. They're on their way.
And many more at tonight.
I hope they slaughter each and every last one of you. Yeah. They're all yours. Fabulous.
All right, give it up for my girl Jill. Isn't she fabulous? Wait, what is going on here? Unauthorized broadcast. Purge ever after? What? Wait, we're not supposed to be on backlot security cam. Something is wrong with the system.
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Oh yeah, we can hear you. What's going on?
You have to help us. You've got to get these people out of here. You've got to do it now.
Wait, what are you talking about? Oh, hi. Hi, who are you guys?
You have to get us out of here!
Whoa, okay, lady, just calm down. Tell me what's going on.
Listen to me. It's all a lie. There is no purge-free zone. They're killing everyone. You have to get us out of here.
Wait, who is killing everyone?
The Forever Purge.
Forever Purge.
That's what they're calling themselves. They don't follow any rules. They don't listen to anyone. Even our so-called founding fathers. They don't care. They want it to be the purge. Everywhere. All the time, never ending. There's children. You have to get us out of here. You have to get us.
Okay, just... Oh, these guys must be lost and found. Did anybody lose a head? Anybody? See me after, okay?
There's no time. They're coming. You have to get us out of here before it's too late.
Wow. Okay. That woman was hilarious. What a jokester. Oh my gosh. Did she have you guys going? Get us out of here. There are children here. Oh man, she almost got me. But guys, she's got to be joking, okay? I know for a fact this party is 100% murder free. The only thing we're killing at this party is bags of potato chips, and they are going fast. So we gotta get you guys out there so you don't miss out on any of the Doritos. You guys might be left with just Sun Chips Original. Ooh, that's scary. It's frightening. We're almost there. There is a little bit of a line to get into the big event. Apparently living is really in vogue this year during the Purge, so... But it's your guys' turn, and I can see the party from here. Boy, does it look amazing. You guys look amazing, too. I love all of your Purge outfits. So cute. Well, not you, but everyone else is so cute.
Wow.
All right, here we go, folks. Oh, look, it's our jokester friend. Hilarious. Still sticking to the bit, I see. Oh, way to go, girl. You're so funny. All right, guys, gather up all of your stuff and get out of there.
I don't want to get out of here.
Have fun tonight. Oh, and one last thing. Forever Purge.
Oh, no. And they're off! Look! Ah!
Salvation Reward. Blessed be our new founding fathers for letting us purge and cleanse our souls. Blessed be the Salvation Reward.
Oh, hi. Jesus.
Sorry folks, there's no smoking or vaping down here at the Terror Tram. No smoking or vaping down here at the Terror Tram. Alright folks, all aboard.
Welcome back aboard the tram. Looks like you survived the purge. Well, at least some of you did. Just a reminder to keep your facial coverings on at all times. Now you can just sit back and relax as we take you back to the park where you can experience the rest of Halloween Horror Nights.
Okay.